Welcome to SNO Smart Sign. This video shows a few useful message effects and fonts which can be copied and get you using the sign within a few minutes. Settings are included on page 2 of the instructions with the video. Tick your messages when created, then export the messages to the USB using Export Flash. Here, 2 drives are shown, but use the drive on which the memory stick is included. Here, it's disk E. Tick the only removable box, and here the brightness of the sign can be adjusted using the slider. The setting is from 1 to 100, but for this video purposes and indoor, the setting is low at around 5. Export the message, just click Export, then Finish, and then insert the USB into the sign. If the message is loaded correctly, it says USB OK, and the message runs. That's it. Hopefully you'll get some great use out of the smart sign and be up and running in a few minutes.